Hello guys, today I want to make what? See in my head and my foot. Aha! I know! Wait a minute. Aha! I really know it! That's a unicorn. Click the button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I want to say, click the button to subscribe. I want to change my foot first, yeah. See, I already changed my foot. Oh, I need to take the shear first. And that's it. Now I will show you this material is. This is for the body. This is for the eyes. This is for the hair and her ponytail. And then this is the water for clean. And this is some stick for the body. And another. And this is the cup. Like my mom knows how to use it. And this is the knife for cutting the fondant. And this is for the mouth. And this is for the brush on. And this is for the horn. And this is for making the heart. Now let's get started. First I will use the body, hair, not hair but the body and the head and the feet and the head. And for the rest, we need to put it in the plastic because later it will dry and we cannot use it. So I put it in the plastic. Or we want to use it? Yes. Open it. We can use it. Now we make an egg. First we need to circle and then the second we do like this. Then ta-da! Now we make the feet. The first like this. The first has to be like this. So that we squeeze it a little bit. Now we make a round ball and then we use our fingers do like this. Sun. Now we put the eyes not too close here. And now we put the smiley. At here, ta-da! It's the mouth. Ta-da! Now we put the head up. Ta-da! Now we make the ear. First, we turn around it. And the second, we press a little bit. And then we like this. And then put it like this. And now we make the hair. So like this, and then you do like this. And then make sure it's like this. And I only want to give you an example. Today, this is how you make it. Here. Make sure it's like this. Then, oh, this is how it falls. I think we need to put water again. Now we put a tail. It's already saved. See me. Now we put the horn. Ta-ding. It's done. Ta-ding-da-ding. It's really good than I saw before. It's really easy, right, friends? There is coronavirus right now, so you need to stay at home and do nothing. You are bored, right? Or you have a fondant. You just you just make a unicorn, or otherwise another things that from fondants like that. You can make a people, a bear, a pizza, anything that you want. Okay, friends? Or you want to give questions? Just click the bell and for subscribing. And I will see it or you subscribe it. Bye bye.